82 years after he attained martyrdom, the fight for the legacy of freedom fighter Bhagat Singh continues. The proposal to name the roundabout in Lahore, where Bhagat Singh was hanged after him, has attracted the ire of extremist groups in Pakistan.
Well, the extremist groups have filed a petition in Lahore calling for a reversal, but those who have been lobbying for a re-christening of the roundabout vow to continue their fight.
This busy roundabout in Lahore is where freedom fighter Bhagat Singh was hanged to death in 1931. And 82 years later, the controversy over naming the roundabout after the revolutionary rages on. A long-standing demand to rename the chowk as Bhagat Singh Chowk has the Jamaat-ud-Dawa led by Hafiz Saeed up in arms, which went to the extent of filing a petition in the Lahore court against the proposed move.
हम भगत सिंह को आज़ादी का हीरो सिरे से हम मानते ही नहीं हैं। मसला बुनियादी ये है, उसने आज़ादी के लिए कोई जंग सिरे से की नहीं है। हम तो उसको आज़ादी का हीरो ही नहीं मानते, आज़ादी का सिपाही नहीं मानते। सिरे से हम उसको इस सिलसिले में किसी किस्म का कोई क्रेडिट देते ही नहीं।
But the outcry from the conservative faction has not deterred those who have been lobbying for the circle to be rechristened.
So we honor Bhagat Singh, but unfortunately the religious fundamentalists do not want to hear the arguments in favor of a hero which is a common hero of the Indian subcontinent, Bhagat Singh.
Controversy over renaming of an intersection in Lahore where Bhagat Singh was executed has exacerbated between those who support naming the intersection after him and extremist groups including Jamaat-ud-Dawa, which has filed a case in the Lahore High Court to prevent it.
Back in India, the fight to honor the memory of a freedom fighter who spent his critical years in Lahore has gained favor with the leaders across the political spectrum.
Ironical that you have hardline elements in Pakistan like Hafiz Saeed and his ilk who are trying to oppose this tooth and nail. We do hope that the Liberals triumph and the memory of Shaheed Bhagat Singh is honoured in the city where he was martyred.
Pakistan has chosen to gloss over history in the past, and with this latest tussle, the hostile neighbour has further revealed itself. But will sanity prevail in this case? Bureau Report, Times Now.